Right, out and about today. After a bit of a sore head this morning, we're on the way to go get some matcha tea. Somewhere called the Bluebell, which okay. Hey, I'm no stranger to the Bluebell. I'm still thinking of beer. So yeah, I'm gonna go to the Blue Bottle, get some matcha tea, go to a shrine, go get some pancakes. I forget the rest, but we got a lot planned for the day. So we're coming to try our hand at winning a little souvenir. Oh, I don't know. Oh yeah, that's.
Why's she got a donut for a mouth?
Kind of rate it. A little capybara?
Yeah, she's trying to get a little capybara.
Try and get a little capybara, go on then. Right, I gotta win my camera lady capybara. How much are they? Oh,
yeah.
Oh, I haven't even got enough.
Right, camera lady has to cough up.
Camera lady has to cough up. No, camera lady go first. You got one shot, one opportunity to seize everything you ever wanted in one moment. Would you capture it or would you let it slip? Oh my God. Yeah! No! No! I thought you had that there.
I thought I had that.
Oh no.
Huh?
I reckon so. You okay, mate? Are you okay, brother? Heavy night. I know how you feel. I'm exactly the same. Many deers beat last night, were you? I'm gonna go matcha latte, I think. Oh, look at that bad boy. Woo! Let's give it a go. That's what I needed. No, bless. Japanese people are so sweet. Little old lady just come over and just started pointing at a little pigeon, saying, "You want food? Num num." What I've noticed is Japanese people have serious style, and I'm walking around looking like a bum. Well, no, I don't look too bad actually. Not compared to how I usually look, but yeah, Japanese people are stylish. Look at the size of this badger. What's the phobia? Megalophobia?
Yeah.
Fear of absolutely huge things. Oh, we're going to say nothing.
Think of it.
Giggity. 7-Eleven sandwiches are amazing, and I've just found spicy chicken lettuce and habanero sauce. So you know we had to dive into the Japanese hot sauce, and usually you don't eat on the street, so I feel a little bit rude eating here, but we're going to jump straight into it if I can get in. Imagine I get told off for eating a sandwich. I can't actually get into this. What the hell? Oh shit. Oh, it's a bit spicy actually. Not as good as the egg one. Not as good as the chicken teriyaki one. Not the best one I've had so far. But still fire. Just made it to Meiji Shrine. Look at this entrance. Wow. Amazing. All right, let's go through. You can hear these birds screaming. Oh, I like this. There is nowhere quite like Japan. Oh, that tree's obviously had a bit of a bad time, look. He's got his jacket on, yeah. Bit chilly. I love how all the trees like come over into the middle, like bowing over. Trees showing their sign of respect. Wonder why these trees do have like saran wrap around them. Saran wrap. 30 seconds ago we were surrounded by skyscrapers and the hustle and bustle of the city, and now surrounded with trees. Can't hear any cars, just hear birds tweeting away on the way to a temple. Konnichiwa. Konnichiwa guan. Ah, the sun's just come out. Where's the dance? There we go then, main approach to the shrine. I just got dripped on. Some lady doing a dance. Made the absolutely horrendous decision to wear jeans. Not only that, they're super skinny. So we just reached the main entrance to it. I think we need to go wash our hands first. You have to go in, purify both hands, pour it in your mouth. Some good water actually. Not quite Malvern Spring, but this feels like a little glimpse of Kyoto. My lucky number, 2.
Oh, no way.
Yeah. Where are we? Number 2. Unknown to others, these thoughts within our hearts, both good and bad, are known by the deities of heaven and the earth. Look at that. Shishi. Arigato gozaimasu. Gozaimasu, shishi. Alright, just been to the shrine, made an offering, wrote down some prayers, put them in front of the shrine. And look at this, I don't know what these are. Are these like barrels? This is definitely a place for a pic for the gram. In the rain. Been training for this my whole life, living in the UK. Everyone's prepared with umbrellas here. It's not like UK, people just walk around and get wet, just deal with it. Over here, they're prepared. We, on the other hand, are not. Look at this! This looks amazing with hot sauce in it as well. Mmm. That's amazing. Looks like hot cheesy sauce on top. Look at the cheese. This bad boy. Still yet to get to the sausage in the middle, but come to Takashita Street, which is vibing. Again, still raining. Everyone with their umbrellas. Everyone's so prepared with their umbrellas. Rainbow cheese sandwich. That sounds mad. What the hell? What the hell? Before coming here, you think, I'm not going to want to buy anything. And then you see how much stuff is here and you just want to buy. Wish you bought another suitcase to take stuff with, because there's just so much cool stuff. I'm so spiritual, I've just found some glasses for my third eye. It's awful. Don't fit on my massive head. Hey you guys. The big toe separated. Hello. 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 Well, you know, it's not a real trip abroad unless you go and try this place. Roasted soy sauce. Teriyaki chicken mini fillet. Hold on. Yo, nuggets as a side, are you mad? Mustard sauce, yes. Oh, nice.
Fanta melon.
Gotta be Fanta grape. Here we go then. Fillet of shrimp, chicken nuggets as a side, which is crazy. Chips. There's still one of the chips. And whatever this thing is. Oh my god, why do we not do mustard sauce in the UK? The chicken nuggets seem different as well, but better. Softer and fluffier. And this thing, oh my god, it's messy. It is hot though. Umami. Oh my god, that's amazing. Great Fanta. You just can't go wrong with great Fanta. Right, we've had a nap, we went home, we could have slept all day, but had to come out to get some food. We're gonna go get some Wagyu steak. It was chucking it down, but it's not anymore. Look at the vibes. Unbelievable. Unreal. Oh, we had a rave going. I'm mega excited for this. Chichi? Oh my god, it's amazing. Oh my god. Oh, dip in the salt. Dip in here. Oh my god. Unreal. 12 out of 10 for this. This sauce. Hands down, the best food ever had. The best bit of beef I've ever had. Cook it yourself, amazing. So if you need dank scram in Japan, goyo katsu. Yeah, make sure you get there.